It's been a while. I've been traveling a lot and preparing for some interviews that are coming up. Today we're going to be looking at TrueFi token. And as we can see over the past couple of days, this is just a 7-day chart. It basically doubled in value, going from 25 cents all the way up to over 50 cents before kind of falling back down to earth. We're going to talk about what all this excitement in TrueFi is and whether or not you should be buying TrueFi stock and my price prediction. Welcome back to another video. Again, TrueFi is one of the leaders in decentralized finance, uncollateralized lending protocols, where you can earn high yields on stablecoin loans and borrow capital without any collateral. And recently, they just reached about $1 billion in lending with zero defaults. So pretty much TrueFi hits 1 billion in loans originated with no defaults. It also secured 12.5 million in strategic funding and acquired ETHWorks, and it's already rolling out its first stages of its V5 upgrades. And it's trying to declare itself to the public. The traditional global lending market is estimated at 6 trillion, and TrueFi wants to take part of that market, and it originated to leverage the value of decentralized transparency, trust, and speed into the TrueFi market. The team behind TrueFi, the foremost unsecured lending protocol and popular stablecoins, including TrueUSD, is championing the institutional credit and lending-based products on-chain with its Trust token. And 1 year ago, TrueFi emerged and created the lasting historical moment with DeFi's first unsecured loan to Alameda Research for 3.5 million on November 21st, 2020. Just as its first anniversary is looming, TrueFi announces with utmost excitement that it has reached 1 billion in total value locked from loans originating with no defaults. So it's basically trying to make loaning in decentralized finance safer and also provide high yields to their users. So you can check out, of course, their price. And I mean, this is obviously like on huge volume. If you look on Coinbase, it's like the top trending ticker for cryptos. And I mean, like it soared in popularity before kind of going back down. And if you're looking at the 3-month chart while it loads data, this is honestly, this price has been a lot higher, reaching close to 70 cents before falling back down, and then again reaching a spike and then falling back down. So what you can do is play the volatility, and when it dives by about 20-30%, buy the bottom and hopefully wait for the top. Even if you, for example, bought right here at the dip, you could have bought at 40 cents and you could have kept buying when it reached 30, 20, and even 25 cents. And then you would have seen a nice spike and you could have sold at the top. So when I'm playing cryptocurrencies, because they're generally more volatile than stocks, that's what I like to do, is I like to look at the Bollinger Bands, see when the lower bar goes below the lower Bollinger Band, and typically buy then. I'm not sure if I would buy yet. I would wait for the selling pressure to ease because it did reach 47 cents even today before going back down. And trading volume is also kind of decreased by 21% over the past 24 hours. So it looks like interest in this crypto is slowly fading. But if you believe in the future of the Ethereum blockchain and decentralized finance and the vision of TrueFi, and you can go on their site. Of course, I've already showed you this right here. And it looks pretty legit to me, honestly. If you're looking at the market cap, I mean, you can easily find it. So they have quite a few coins circling right here. You can see their max supply. Their fully diluted market cap right here is 537 million. And their market cap as of right now is 203 million. This is their fully diluted market cap, but this is their market cap right now. Fully diluted just means taking into account that only 38% of the actual circulating supply is in circulation right now, but they plan on increasing that. Of course, as part of their growth pattern. You just have to go on their white paper and read that there. So that's what TrueFi is. Again, I wouldn't necessarily buy it right now. I'd wait for the selling pressure to ease and then potentially get in at a pretty nice cost because, I mean, right now, the price we're looking at right now, okay, 7-day chart, 37 cents. So anything below 30 cents is a pretty decent deal. I don't know if it'll get to that, but you could wait till 35 cents. You could buy some now and buy more later, because we can see in a matter of a second, it spikes to like above 50 cents. And DeFi protocol, again, like just look at these articles and to get familiar with the technology. I think they're also planning on doing something with NFT rates, and they really like themselves for their increase in transparency. They have 36,100 followers, so it's relatively not very well researched or well known token. But I think the more that it becomes known, and the more sort of transparency and visuals are on this token, the more that money will start flowing in. So let me know what you think about this token. Please feel free to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Love you all.